Let's say you want to receive crypto, somebody wants to gift you something, or maybe you're making a withdrawal from your trading account, or I don't know, whatever that could be, and you don't know how to receive that money in your Binance account. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Watch this video to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get notified every time I post a new video. Otherwise, let's get started. Right here, I have my phone, and I'm gonna show you step by step. So this is my Binance. I'm pretty sure you already have the Binance. If you don't have the Binance, you can get it on Play Store or Apple Store, and make sure that you are verified. And yeah, it's verified. Otherwise, let's get started. So what you're gonna do, the person who is sending you the crypto, they'll ask you for an address, and you're supposed to get that address in your Binance app. And how are you going to be able to get that Binance address, or just random address? So let's say what you're gonna do is just to come here on your mobile phone, on your Binance, and hit deposit. Once you hit deposit, you need to ask the person, what kind of crypto are you sending me? Most of the times people are sending each other USDT, Tether, Ethereum, whatever, Litecoin. But what you can do is just ask them if they would like to send you USDT. So let's say they're sending USDT, you come on USDT right there. The next thing you need to do is that you have to specify a network. So a network is just simply like a channel that these people are going to send through, right? So make sure that the network that you give them is the same network that they use on the other side when they're sending. Even like on their other side, even if they tell you that we would like to send you USDT, but we want to send it on Ethereum network. So what you're gonna do is just come here and search which one is Ethereum network. So this one is like Ethereum network ERC20. So but the most common one people that use is the Tron, which is the CTRC20. So let's just say they want to send you through that network, and voila, this is what is going to pop up. You're going to have like a barcode. You can simply send them a barcode, or you can just send them this deposit address. So right here is my deposit address, and I can send this address to anyone else. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to like hit copy right there. So the address is copied to my clipboard, which means I can paste it in the chat where the person is sending me, whether I have to put this address on the portal where I'm making my withdrawal or whatever else. It's just as simple as that. So these are the details. So minimum deposit that can be sent to this address is just simply like a 1 cent. No, 1 cent is just also allowed. It's just like 0.01, I don't know. But yeah, you can actually send crypto to this address. And after that, you can also even just hit share, and you can share to them, whether it's email or whatever. Maybe you can just save it as an image and send it to them. They'll just scan and go ahead. But a screenshot will just also do good. So this also applies to any other crypto that you would like to receive. So let's say you want to receive Litecoin, and you can also just like choose. So normally just hit on the Litecoin network, because guys, I'll tell you the reason why you should choose Litecoin, and I'm also gonna make a video on how you can convert crypto to another crypto, from for example Litecoin to USDT or USDT to Litecoin. So myself, when I want to use Litecoin, when I want to send money, usually I use Litecoin, because Litecoin has got a zero fee transaction, which means I can send Litecoin anyhow whilst I'm paying the zero or the smallest fees. This is the reason why you need to watch my next video that I'll show you on how to convert Litecoin to USDT or USDT to Litecoin. So for example, you can have USDT, but you can convert it to Litecoin and then send it. So make sure that wherever you are sending it, the person has given you a Litecoin address. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been very helpful. And the same process is the same process when you want to receive crypto. Whatever the person is going to do with your address is something that you can do with his address if you want to send him money. And if you want to know how to do that, I've also already made another video. You can check the previous videos that I've done. Otherwise, keep it G and have a very good day.